Are you struggling with unauthorized resellers undermining your brand? You're not alone. Many brands feel powerless against these threats. Unauthorized resellers can disrupt your pricing strategies and damage your hard-earned reputation. If you sell premium or high-margin products, the stakes are even higher. They often violate minimum advertised price agreements, undercutting legitimate sellers. And on Amazon's open marketplace, these unauthorized sellers find it easy to infiltrate. With little seller vetting and fierce price competition, your brand's access to the buy box could be jeopardized. How can you identify these threats? Look for sudden price drops, unexpected loss of buy box control, and increased customer complaints about product quality. Unusual seller names and fake ASINs can also signal unauthorized selling. To combat these challenges, brands need robust tools. Jungle Scout Cobalt is designed for enterprise-level monitoring. It tracks pricing fluctuations and helps enforce MAP policies. Cobalt provides insights into seller behavior over time, meaning you can focus on the repeat offenders harming your brand. Don't let unauthorized sellers dictate your pricing strategy or reputation. Take control today with Jungle Scout Cobalt. Protect your revenue and integrity. Don't wait, act now to secure your brand's future on Amazon.